I want it to be something where we are collaborating together, not just city does this and the school district does this. That works well in no community that I've ever been a part of. The work that we did in Warrensville was dynamic. And I use the word dynamic because it was in a short period of time that we were able to do some great things. Yes, I wasn't the superintendent there. I was actually just kind of a supporting act in that play, where I was assisting and making sure things were happening in those meetings that were happening between the city and the school district, and they were dynamic. And now you can see those things that are happening in that neighborhood, in that city. Those are the same things that we can do. We can make those things happen. Yes, are we gonna have things? We're always gonna have things because we're dealing with people and we're dealing with children. Can we come together to figure out how to respond to them? Yes, we can do that, but we have to be like-minded as a community to make sure we're doing those things. I'm here to serve the community through serving kids. That is exactly what I do. I have no intentions of doing anything but serving kids. That's all I want to do. That's all I care about doing. And I need some folks behind me to help me take care of kids and also take care of the community.